Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to log in your WeChat account. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to simply tap in open WeChat application. You tap in log in. Here, to get logged into your account, you can either put your phone number or you can log in via WeChat ID, email or QQ ID. Also can log in with your Facebook account if you have earlier registered your WeChat account with Facebook. For now, I am going to log in through my phone number. So, I am going to provide my country first, that is a reason. Now, provide your registered phone number. Tap in next. Tap in got it. Tap in allow. Here you need to provide a password for your account, or you also can tap in login via SMS verification code where WeChat will send a verification code in your phone number. For now, I am going to provide my WeChat password. Tap in log in. For this security, you need to drag the slider below to fit the puzzle piece. Here, you need to verify your account as this is the first time logging from the device. So, tap on Start to verify. Here, you have to choose any methods to verify your identity. That is, via SMS verification code, verify via QR code, or you also can ask your friends to verify your account. For now, I am going to tap in via SMS verification code. WeChat will send a verification code in your phone number. You can see a code from WeChat, copy the code, tap in submit. Here you go, you have been logged into your WeChat account. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can get logged into your WeChat account. Thank you.